folks, Benno here. How you going? Welcome to the shed. Planning a little trip, and I was planning to go through the high plains, south of Victoria, and yeah, it's a bit too much fire risk there at the moment for me. I'm a bit of a chicken these days when it comes to that. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to head across from Albury to the coast to Eden. I might shoot up the coast through New South Wales a little bit and see what I see. There's no real plans on where I'm going to go yet. I'll make the decision when I get there. Depends how the money holds out and how the bike's standing up. Yeah, so I've still got a couple of things I need to do to the bike. Just replace the rear wheel bearings again. Needs an oil change and a front tyre, so that'll be happening tomorrow morning while I go and buy the bits and get a tyre fitted. Saturday morning I hope to take off and yeah, head towards New South Wales south coast. Might even go into Canberra, have a look at the War Memorial and things like that, so that might be interesting. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. Okay, I'll show you the route. This is the way I plan to go. I'm going to try and stay off most of the major routes. Don't want to do too much dirt, dirt doesn't worry me at all, but yeah, just don't feel like it at the moment. It's a bit too much like hard work. So currently the back wheel's out of the bike, just going to put that back in. But there's the tyre. Just got to torque up those bolts on the drive pulley. And we go over here with the bike's, as you can see, it's got the back wheels out. Can't really see that. Brake pads are just about shot, so I've got to put a set of them in. Oil should be okay, and well, I'm going to do an oil change, so it's going to be okay. And that's about it. I'll change the primary, and I'll change the gearbox as well, the oil filter. I might chuck a new set of plugs in it. 36 hour on these plugs, and I don't know, they seem to be okay still, but I'll put some new ones in anyway. Here's this bloody thing, it's the XJ motor. Yeah, well that's about it for today. I'll chuck a little bit of a vid up tomorrow as I'm leaving and catch us on the road. But I might even give the bike a bath, that'll be novel.